In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bounced email addresses in Mailchimp. To get started, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the left-hand menu and click Audience. This is where Mailchimp stores and manages your contact list, so it's the main area you'll use for this process. After that, select all contacts so you can view everyone currently in your audience. From here, the goal is to narrow the list down so you only see the addresses that have bounced or been cleaned. This helps you avoid deleting the wrong contacts and keeps the process much more organized. Next, use the filter option, which may appear as filter by tags or segments depending on your view. In the available filters, choose email marketing status or contact rating. Then select cleaned or bounced. These labels usually refer to email addresses that can no longer receive messages, often because the address is invalid or delivery has permanently failed. Once the filtered list appears, take a moment to review the contacts carefully. This is an important step because you want to make sure the list only includes the bounced addresses you actually want to remove. A quick review can prevent accidental deletions. When you're ready, use the checkboxes next to each contact to select them individually, or select all filtered contacts if you want to remove the full group at once. After selecting the bounced addresses, click the Actions drop-down menu and choose Delete Contacts. Mailchimp will then ask you to confirm the deletion. Read the warning message carefully before continuing. Deleting contacts is a serious action, especially if you're permanently removing them from your audience, so it's worth pausing for a second to make sure everything looks right. If prompted, type the confirmation phrase and then click Delete Permanently to complete the process. Once that's done, refresh your audience list and verify that the bounced email addresses no longer appear. This final check helps confirm that the cleanup was successful. Going forward, it's a good idea to monitor your audience regularly for hard bounces, invalid email addresses, and inactive subscribers. Keeping your list clean can improve your email deliverability, protect your sender reputation, and help your campaigns perform better overall. And that's it. That's how to delete bounced email addresses in Mailchimp quickly and safely.